Meet the all-new Yota Xpedition switch panel, designed to give you full control over your accessories with a clean and custom look. Built with a custom aluminum case, this panel is tough and ready for anything, from daily driving to weekend trails. It's available in an 8-gang and 12-gang option, so whether you're running only a few lights or a full overland setup, there's a version that fits your build. The 8-gang is going to offer two 30-amp, two 20-amp, two 15-amp, and two 10-amp locations, while the 12-gang gives you four 30-amp, two 20-amp, two 15-amp, and four 10-amp locations. Each switch supports multiple modes: your standard on and off, momentary, which is only on when you're holding the button, and strobe mode, giving you total flexibility over how each accessory functions. For the controller, you can easily adjust the backlight color and brightness to match your interior lighting or personal style. And installation is simple. Hook up the panel power and ground directly to your battery and run the controller wire to your interior. If you want the switch panel to only work when the ignition is on, then flip the power switch and hook up the fuse box power wire. It all depends on your setup. And to make it even easier, we also offer vehicle-specific mounting brackets for nearly every new Toyota truck and SUV, so your switch panel looks factory installed and not an afterthought. Another thing we added was extra blank button stickers. We found that most kits only include a few, but now you're covered even if you don't have a lot of accessories to hook up right out of the box. Clean, capable, custom, the Yota Xpedition switch panel keeps your wiring organized and your controls right where you need them. Get yours now at yotaxpedition.com.